How to fix microphone not working on iPhone. If you're having issues with the iPhone's microphone, like it's not picking up sound during calls, voice messages, or video recordings, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the microphone not working issue on your iPhone, and we'll go through some troubleshooting steps to get it back in action. So let's get started. First, check if there's any dirt, dust, or debris blocking the microphone. Your iPhone has multiple microphones, usually located near the charging port, on the back near the camera, or on the top edge. Make sure there's nothing obstructing these areas. A soft brush or compressed air can help clean it up. Next, if you're using a phone case or screen protector, it might be covering the microphone or affecting sound quality. Try removing your case or screen protector temporarily and see if that fixes the problem. Now, let's test the microphone to see if it's working at all. Just open the voice memo app and try recording a voice or short message. Let's say hello and try playing it back. Let's say hello. You can hear your voice clearly. Let's say hello. Now, if the recording sounds fine, the issue might be app specific, and we'll go over that. If microphone issues are app specific, make sure that app you're using has permission to access the microphone. Just go to settings and scroll down and tap on privacy and security and hover over to microphone and ensure that the app you're having trouble with listed is turned on. For example, this one. If it's off, toggle it on. And that's it. These are some of the steps which will help you fix your iPhone's microphone issue.